Finally, the fifth character quality is at the beginning of verse 4. It says that they admonish. They go a step beyond just living it. And this is the step of the godly older woman. They come into someone else's life. They ask if they can be a part of mentoring someone else's life. That they admonish. In teaching what is good, they encourage the younger women. This opening phrase in Titus 2:4, that they admonish, is one word in the Greek in Paul's letter. The word sophronizo means to train someone in self-control, or to restore someone to their senses, or to admonish and exhort someone earnestly. So they actually engage in the life of another person. This one word is variously rendered in our 4 different English versions we hold this morning. Teach, King James; admonish, New King James; train, NIV; encourage, NAS. The first 4 qualities are all present in her life in order for her, this godly woman, to make this quality work. God wants a godly woman whose life speaks louder than her words, a woman whose character is noticed, and whose character prompts other women to examine their lives and seek to emulate her. Her joy, her peace, her walk in the Spirit, the evident, practical ways God is at work in her life.